Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to enable Hyper-V now so you can create virtual machines. First, verify you're running Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. Home lacks built-in Hyper-V. Once confirmed, reboot into UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD-V if it's off. Then back in Windows, turn Windows features on or off and select Hyper-V, including Hyper-V management tools. Make sure to restart when prompted. After the reboot, you'll have the Hyper-V Manager available, and we'll move straight into networking and VM creation. Now you'll set up networking and create the VM. Open Hyper-V Manager and first create a virtual switch. Choose external if you want internet access and bind to your NIC. Once done, launch new virtual machine and follow the wizard. Pick generation 1 or 2 depending on your OS, allocate memory, use dynamic memory if desired, assign processor count, and create a virtual hard disk with adequate size. Attach the OS ISO to the virtual DVD drive and enable or tweak secure boot and checkpoints before starting the VM. Start the virtual machine and walk through the guest OS installer exactly like on physical hardware. Once the OS is installed, install Hyper-V integration services or enable enhanced session mode to get clipboard, drive sharing, and improved drivers. This improves performance and device integration. Make sure to create checkpoints before major changes and export VMs for backups. If the VM won't boot or lacks network, check that virtualization is enabled in msinfo 32. Verify Hyper-V services are running, and review Event Viewer for errors to pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.